What's up everyone, this is Weis, welcome back to my channel. I will post this video on my Twitter. If you guys want to follow me on Twitter, my Twitter is yahoo.weis. And today we will talk about the Pepe to pork meme converter that I made. And this is a little software to be able to transform automatically Pepe pork memes, like from Pepe to pork in one click. And not only that, I made something really special. We can convert videos too. So this is gonna be amazing for the meme war on Twitter with the Apu guys and with the Pepe guys. They're gonna hate it. But hey, this is a free country. It's all artistic and for laughing purposes. So yeah, I wanted to make the life of everyone easier and make them able to transform everything from green to pink. So to download I will put the link in the description for this one, and please give it a like if you like the video and subscribe if you want to be there for more little videos like this one. So basically, to install the new tool, you need to come to the repository of the software that it's on my page, and you can copy the link right here. So once you have the link, let me show you something. Once you have the link, you can open a terminal in your computer like this. And like I said on the readme instructions, like I said right here, you need to have Python installed on your computer. It's really easy. You just go here and you install it, and that's for your computer to be able to interact with the script. So once you have that, you're gonna be able to command. Let's go. Just to be on our desktop, we're not desktop now, so we can git clone and the link of the repository that I told you guys. Boom, we just clone it, so now we have it on our computer. So now we can take a look. So now that we just clone it, we have it over here. We can check inside of it. Boom, there we go. It's just the requirements, the readme file with all the instructions if you want to read the instructions. This is the requirements that the program need to be able to run. And yeah, program assets, that's just let me show you guys. Boom, I have it. So this is our program, and in program assets it's just the pork logo, my bad. And the file, it's pepe2pork.py in Python, and this is our readme file that we have over here with all the instructions for people to be able to know what to do, and the requirements. So if we go back over here, we can see that there's steps. One, have Python. Second one, it was to clone the repository. We did it. Then we went inside of it. I did it to show you guys, I think. Did I? Yeah, we're in it. Yeah, we're in it. So we're in it, and now we need to install the dependencies, and it's right here. Pip install requirements. We're gonna do it. I already have them. It was just to show you guys how easy it is to install everything with the requirements.txt file. That basically, you guys can see it over here. The requirement.txt is just like the name of the libraries that we use to be able to use the program. So once we have that, we can straight up run the program, and I want to show you guys. I really love it. So if we come back in here, we can see to run the program, run the application, it's just Python and the name of the script, pepe2pork.py. We have it over here, pepe2pork.py. So we just need to type python.pepe. Let me zoom in. Okay, and boom, there you go, guys. It's right here. It opened on the side, my bad. Yeah, so this is our program, and I'm really proud because it's gonna make really life easier for a lot of people who want to do memes and transform Pepe to pork. So I made a little folder over here that I have for the video. So I have some images, and I'm gonna show you guys the potential of the tool. So this was the folder of the program, like you guys can remember. So we have it over here. So when we're gonna save your image, it's gonna be prompted over here, and it's gonna be under the folder results. So let's do a test. Drag and drop. What more easy? The first version was we needed to click on upload image like this, like upload image and then choose, and then, but then I made a new version where we're gonna be able to drag and drop. Look, boom, we have it. Second one, boom, we have it. You saw that? That's amazing. So now we can click on save, and boom, You guys don't see it, it's right here. We saved it, and now we can see the result folder was created. Now we can see the saved one, and we can do that for whatever we want and save. Boom. What do you guys think? I hope you guys gonna like it. Boom. You saw that? Let's do it with this one for a little test. Boom. There you fucking go. Buy pork, guys, and huddle. So what I wanted to show you guys too doesn't end over there. I went online and downloaded some Pepe videos, okay, just to show you guys the potential of our tool. Okay, you guys saw that? That's a video with Pepe. Okay, now if we click on video on our Pepe to pork meme converter, we have this one, this new window that open. In this one we can drag and drop our video, bang bang, and this saving over here is just to be able to have a thumbnail over here that we save it to. But the real magic is over here. If we drag and drop, whoop, we can see the new buttons that popped. Upload video, we don't need to upload because we drag and dropped it. Then we have to convert to pork. Boom, we click on that. Boom, you guys saw a new folder pop in. We have a new folder called video, and it's working. And right now, if we don't see the thumbnail, it's because it's working on it. Then we're gonna be able to click on save. Yeah, we have it. The program just crashed, I think. No, it's fine. Okay. You guys saw that? Let me open the second one. Yeah, we need to work on the color of the video converter. We need to put it more pink, not purple. I don't know why it's fucked up. It's just like in this test. It used to be pink in the other test, but it works, and you guys can do it for all kind of videos too. So yeah, that's basically the resume. That's how you install it. That's how you use it. And yeah, I hope you guys like it. Over here, I set it up a little wallet for you guys if you guys wanna pay me a coffee or something. And yeah, I hope you guys gonna like it. Big shout out to Lil Pork and to Paulie. Yeah, man, he's a real goat. I hope he's gonna like the program. But yeah, they do amazing stuff over there, man. Big shout out to the pork community. See you around, guys. Strange connections, gang.